Welcome. Today, we're here to guide you on how to react to a message on WhatsApp with the latest updates. Let's walk through the steps together. To begin, open WhatsApp on your Android device. Locate the WhatsApp app icon on your home screen or in the app drawer, and tap on it to open the app. Next, open the chat where you want to react to a message. Once you've selected the chat, hover over the message you wish to react to with an emoji. When you hover over the message, an emoji icon will appear. Click on this emoji icon to bring up a selection of emojis for reacting to the message. You can now choose from the displayed emojis by clicking on the one that best represents your reaction. If you don't find the perfect emoji from the selection, click on the plus icon to access all emojis from your keyboard. By following these steps, you can easily react to messages on WhatsApp using emojis to express your emotions and responses in a fun and personalized way. Make your conversations more engaging and interactive by adding emoji reactions to your messages. Reacting to messages on WhatsApp has never been easier with the updated features that allow you to convey your feelings through emojis. Thank you for watching, and enjoy reacting to messages on WhatsApp in a whole new way.